Welcome to KIMISUITE, your all-in-one suite. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of using the PDF Builder extension to add a header and footer to your vehicle listing PDFs. Before we begin, make sure that you've already imported your vehicles into the Vehicle Hub. This is essential before adding any extensions to your listings. From the home screen, click on the Vehicle Hub app to get started. Next, click on the Extensions button at the top of the screen. You'll be taken to a screen where all available extensions are displayed. Find the PDF Builder card and click the orange Enable button. Now click Configure, and you'll be taken to a page where you can add a header and footer to your PDF document. Here, you can customize your PDF by adding a picture to the header and footer sections. Once added, you'll see a preview of your PDF, filled with placeholder information. Once you're satisfied with the look of your PDF, click Save to save your changes. To view the PDF of an actual vehicle listing, click the tab bar at the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. From the home screen, open the Widget Creator app. Click Select on the Vehicle Hub listing card. Then choose the Elegant style by clicking Select again. In the widget preview, you'll see a download button on each vehicle listing. Click on it to download the PDF document of your selected vehicle listing. Select the location where you want to download the document and click the Save button. Once the PDF document has been saved, open the file. You'll now see the header and footer on every page of your PDF, just as you customized it. And that's it. You've successfully added a header and footer to your vehicle listing PDF. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you get the most out of KIMISUITE.